tape below. And we got the original box as well, which is always nice. What was that sound? And here it is. The sound was probably this. I got this for $70, cheap. The reason why it was so cheap is probably because the seller did say that this fan was not working properly. And yeah, as you can see here, this fan is a little bit taller. It's a bit taller here than this fan. Yeah, it's not spinning properly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order a new set of fans from AliExpress. Probably costs like $10 or $15, but still we're gonna be under $100 for this RTX 2060. Which on eBay I've seen that goes for over $100 these days. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this up and see which fans I'm gonna order, because this fan is not spinning well. So we need this type of fan, first D. Okay, so I'm gonna order that from AliExpress now. Before buying the replacements for the fan, I should probably see if this graphics card even works. So I took this out from another build and placed the graphic card in here, and let's see if it works. See if we get a pulse. And there we go. It's working. So before ordering the fans, I wanted to see if I was able to repair the broken one, but the previous owner already cut the strings off to the broken fan, so we're not able to fix that. But we found the same fan with the same product number on AliExpress. Same product number here for $7.82, so which brings us to $77.82 for both the graphics card and a pair of new fans. While we wait for the fans to arrive, let's replace the thermal paste. It's completely dry. There's nothing left here. Everything's on this side, and it's hard, and it's wet here. I'm just gonna clean everything off. Try to remove this hard part and reapply thermal paste. But let's just try to remove as much as possible. Adding some alcohol to loosen up a bit. There we go. It should be fine right here. With this air blower, let's put on some new thermal paste. This is JD 900 thermal paste I bought from AliExpress. I use this on all my CPUs and GPUs, and it performs very well. I'll probably have to buy a new one since this is nearly empty. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. Just cover every single part. Maybe I'll use a bit too much. That right there should be good. Now we just have to line it up. Okay, now that's done. Can somebody tell me what these watermarks are? It's not removable. Let me know in the comments below. We got some here and here. Fans have arrived. Let's open it up. Here we have them. Oop. Are they the same ones? They're the same ones. Perfect. While I was waiting for these fans to arrive, I spray painted the case white, this is going into a white PC build. So yeah, so let's just assemble this and see if the graphic cards works. And these were the screws for the fans, if I remember correctly. There should be 8. Yep, 4, 8. This is for the RGB and this is for the fan. Add the RGB first. There we go, RGB in. Now for the fan. There we go, fan in. Now we just have to screw everything back in together. Put on the back plate. I remember this longer piece right here. It's going at this corner. Make sure you don't screw it all the way down, so you get a little wiggle room to align everything, because this side is not aligned right now. There we go. I got these two corners right here, so everything should be aligned. Alright, everything went well. These are the results from the spray paint and everything. A little bit rough here because of the masking tape, but still gonna look good. We got no screws left, which is also good, which means that we've done everything perfectly. Fans are spinning. Now let's test this in a PC to see if it still works. So we got a PC right here that I'm gonna be selling, but it hasn't sold yet, so we're gonna test the GPU on this PC. I took out the GPU right here, GTX 1650, and let's try out to see if this one works. Okay, time to turn the PC on to see if we get a post and also if the fans are spinning. Let me just get some light so you guys can see better. There we go. Okay, turning on the PC. Yes, fans are spinning. See if we get a post. There we go. Everything's working. Yeah, so I'll leave a link down below for this RTX 2060 ASUS fans if you're interested, together with this thermal paste. I'll leave all of the products I've used and equipment down below in the description. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.